Well, you'll fail if you never try. If you don't make the attempt, you'll never know what you could have accomplished. Because I had so many obstacles to overcome, but it's how much do you really want to do something that you cannot not do it. And when I talk at writers' conferences, I say you're not a writer until you cannot not write. It becomes such a compulsion to you, you have to do it. But that's where no matter what people say, no matter what everybody's put you down. Some people, their whole families don't understand them when they get over into metaphysics, and they're outcasts. But if you found your path, if you found what you really want to do, you have to do it. If you don't, you'll be miserable. You'll get sick, and you'll be miserable.